Hi everyone and welcome back to another mini album tutorial. It's Marina here and today I have a design theme project. It's a mini album which I made using the latest release by Nitwit Collections. All the decorative papers and the elements are printables. That means that they are digital papers and we can download them on our computer, print them and use them as many times as we want and in any project as well. I made also these two cards using this beautiful paper pack, but let's see some of the papers and elements I have printed to decorate the album. So the latest release is the Hello You, and I decided to use the bundle collection, that is a complete collection and gives you a 20% off when you buy the bundle. Of course, down below in the description area you will find all the links for this collection as well as all the individual packs. I have printed my papers on a 200 GSM weight cardstock and here you can see some of the beautiful patterns. They have flower patterns with small and big flowers, stripes, polka dots and give us the opportunity for a lot of combinations. On the kit you will find a lot of choices, but for this album I wanted to use this combination of colors. Here are some elements that I fuzzy cut using my scissors, and it's up to you how big or small you want to print your elements. For example, I used journaling cards and I preferred to print them on a small scale because I have a small album. Take a look on that lovely envelope. It's really so adorable. So let's build our folio. For the base I am going to use a thick cardstock 300 GSM 18 by 29 centimeters. I do cut two flaps which I am going to score both of them on the short side at 1.5 and 2 centimeters. I burnish well all my flaps on the scoring lines with a bone folder and put double-sided tape. Of course, you can use your liquid glue to stick them on the base. Now I am going to use some magnets. First I put a small amount of liquid glue, I stick the magnet and I secure it with a piece of clear sellotape. Then I put the sellotape's sticky side up to stick the other magnet. I press it down firmly and I'm trying to do that as straight as I can. I'm using a border punch for a nice finish on my pocket. For the decoration of the cover, I used only a flower because the pattern I used is so busy and I didn't want to embellish it more. That was the tutorial for today. Make sure to visit the site which is linked down below and I will be waiting your comments. See you next time. Bye!